Hi students, let us learn a very interesting fact. What is 0 factorial equal to? Let us understand this. We all know that those who are introduced to permutations and combinations, we already know that n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. And if we divide the whole equation by n, what do we get? N factorial by n is equal to n minus 1 factorial, right? Yes. Just to understand, I'll give you an example. When we have to write 5 factorial, what do we write? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If we divide the whole equation by 5, what do we get? 5 factorial by 5 is equal to 4 factorial because we have divided by 5. So what are we left with? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is 4 factorial. So 5 factorial by 5 gives us 4 factorial. So if we keep applying the same thing to 4 factorial, or if we consider 4 factorial here, what do we get? Just check this. It's the same property that I have applied here. Now look at this. If it is 4 factorial by 4, what will that be equal to? Definitely 3 factorial, right? So if I am dividing 3 factorial by 3, then what do we get? It is 2 factorial. If I am dividing 2 factorial by 2, what we are going to get? 1 factorial. If we are dividing 1 factorial by 1, what are we going to get? It is 0 factorial. That is 1 factorial is 1. So 1 by 1 is 0 factorial. So what did we end up with? 0 factorial is equal to 1. This is what we have learned now. How did we get this? We have used this property to understand the value of 0 factorial. Very simple, isn't it? If you want more such videos, please do comment below. I'll try to make more such videos. Thank you.